Hey, I'm Alden Echols with SlopePro. We have a lot of people asking us what is the best time of year to get your roof replaced or any of your roof maintenance done. Most people assume that's spring and summertime. And while that is definitely our busiest time of year, the best time to get that roof work is right now. One, demand for roofing goes down throughout the area, so your prices come down a little bit. Also, wintertime is definitely the hardest time of year for your roof systems. Going into the holidays, obviously everything gets busy, so you have that roof problem. For a lot of people, that just goes to the back of their mind. Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's, and then, Christmas Eve, we get a snow, and then you have a roof problem. 6, 8, inches, a foot of snow on the roof, you get that leaking, and there's absolutely nothing we can do until that snow melts off. The last thing we will want is for your holidays to be interrupted with a roof problem. So call now to get your free 12-point forensic inspection.